The iPhone 14 battery percentage can sometimes get stuck and not move from a certain percentage. This can be frustrating as you are unable to accurately see the remaining battery life. In this video, we are going to show you some tips to try and fix an iPhone 14 battery percentage that is stuck. First solution, restart your iPhone. The simplest solution is to restart your iPhone 14. A restart helps reset system files and processes and can often resolve minor software glitches like a stuck battery indicator. To restart an iPhone, press and hold the power button and either volume button at the same time until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. After the iPhone 14 is fully powered down, press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. After restarting, check if the battery percentage is updating normally. Second solution, check for available software updates. An outdated iOS version could also cause battery percentage issues. Make sure your iPhone 14 is updated to the latest iOS version. To check for updates, open the Settings app, tap General, and then Software Update. Install any available updates. Updating to the latest software can resolve bugs and glitches. Third solution, reset all settings.